Good morning, all of you, boys and girls. Today we are talk about something, your next chapter, that is industry, and we will learn something about industry, its inputs and outputs, about something finance, process of industries, and what is the mass production and managers for these industries, etc. Now it will be better that you see in your books, and I'm saying something about industry, see what I am saying in your book. So, boys and girls, move to your books and see what I am saying. First question arises that what is an industry? So, boys and girls, industry refers to the production of goods and services in an area. Every industry has its inputs and outputs. Then, what are the inputs and outputs? Every industry has its inputs and some outputs. The inputs are the materials, machinery, technology, capital, labor, etc. The outputs is the final product or finished good, or the you can say the production which we get from an industry. Then, what is the difference between primary and secondary industry? Major source of input in primary industry is the natural raw material. The raw material may come from agriculture, mining, fishing, forest, etc. The secondary industry uses producers' goods to make the final product. Most of the manufacturing industries are secondary industries like automobile, food, textile, etc. Arises Now question arises, what are the types of finance are in the industries? So you see there are two types of finance. Every industry needs two types of capitals actually, finance capital and physical capital. Finance capital is obtained or borrowed from banks or other institutions. The physical capital is buildings, machinery, and so on. And you can say what are the process of industry. So, boys and girls, manufacturing of goods involves mainly three process. First one is assembly. It is the combination of parts to make the final product. For example, a bicycle joining various parts like wheels, chain, handle, etc. Then second one is alteration. It is modifying of the raw material into a new material or final product. For example, sawing of trees into timbers. Next one you can say that is extraction. This process removes one or more component from the raw material. For example, petrol is extracted from the crude oil. Then another question arises, that is, what is mass production? Propose the idea of interchanging of parts which help produce goods quickly. In this way, repair and assembly could be done with previously manufactured goods. Large scale production is called mass production. And what are the managers which manage these industries? The financial managers manage the funds. Human resources managers arrange for the skilled laborers. Production managers look the production. Marketing managers check out the plans to sell the goods in the market. That is all about for your industry management. And next turn we will meet again. Thank you and goodbye.